What's up, everybody? This is my reveal to what I have under the G14 V2 Limitless. That right there is my ABS body. But I'm revealing this because Mitchell Minor already revealed it. But I get, he already revealed it on his car in a video a couple days ago. But this is what the big secret was. I have compound gearing on this car. That's it. That's all it is just compound gearing. Let me see. So, but that's how compound gearing looks. And that's what I had on this car. That's what I've been testing, trying to see, if it's beneficial or not. About last year in the summer, end of the summer, I did a 4S challenge. And on that 4S challenge, I was only able to get to like 139 was the fastest I got to. That run didn't count because I didn't bring the car back, but that was fast as I was able to get the car, and I couldn't get it past that. So I put this compound gearing on here. I'm running the same motor, same ESC, as basically this is a V2 Limitless. That was a regular Limitless, but I still had the 2.8 diffs in that Limitless. So basically the same thing, because the 2.8 diffs are in this Limitless. So now I'm gonna keep testing on this to see if I can get it past 139 with the compound gearing. What the compound gearing does is it can either double or triple your RPMs or double or triple your torque, either or, but if you double or triple your RPM, then you don't have enough, the car ain't strong enough to reach, them top speeds. If you double or triple your torque, then the car is just gonna go slow, but it's just gonna be, good takeoff. So you still gotta get a good healthy balance between, your RPMs and your torque. So there's a lot of gear ratios going on up in here with the compound gearing. So there's still some shit you gotta figure out. Mine's this piece here and this piece here, it slides back and forth. So I can change these two gears. Let me get something here. Like this gear right here and this gear I can change, because this whole thing slides. I got slots in here on both sides so I can slide it. So I can change these gears a lot. And then change these gears, it's normal. But at first, when I first set it up, I couldn't change these gears because this didn't move. But now since I can move it, slide it back and forth, it makes it so I can change these gears and make a lot of different changes. So my goal is still try to get this car past 140 or 139 to get it, up there. And if I can, then I find this beneficial. If I can't, then it's not really beneficial at all. But just like anything else, it's trial and error. So, and if I can take this and get this to work, get 5-10 more miles up out of it, that means people who really got this shit figured out, James, Tony, Raz, and them, they should be able to get, 5-10 more miles added to their top speed. They probably figured it out even better than I did, than I can. So, but this is the setup. It's 1721 2400 kV, and I got my XLX2, with battery trays. I got carbon fiber, dry shafts, everything. I'm gonna put this stuff on there, a little scorch brace. So, but that was the big secret. So I know what my problem is and what was happening, and I just can't figure out how to fix it. But my problem is my voltage sag. My voltage sag's way too low. And I asked somebody about it, and they was just like, it's my batteries. But we got like 20 sets of batteries, so all my batteries can't be bad, and all my batteries sag like that. And I just can't figure out how to fix that. And I know that's what's causing me to lose my speed This is my batteries. But I'm gonna keep working on it, see if I can figure it out. I had a perfect pass on the last car, you know, so it couldn't be my messed up trigger pull causing my battery sag. It ain't gonna be on this car because I got the Flash Guy Noble Pro, and the delay on there is like way better than the perfect pass. So I don't even need a perfect pass on there because that remote, that transmitter delay is beautiful. But this is the car. It's basically set up. I'm waiting on a part or two that I want to change, and then I'll be out testing again once it start raining. So I mean, stop raining, my bad. But so I want to thank everybody for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all when I can get back out there and start testing again. So, all right, I'm out.